vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Olivia Rodrigo, Deja Vu. Alright? So I'm going to show you two basic chords to play this song. Unbelievable, right? It's literally two chords, guys. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and we have our cap on fret number 2. Alright, and the chords that we are playing are basic chords, so I'm going to show you those. First, we have a C major. And then we have a G, alright? So this is a C, it's open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. That's your C. And then G is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. C, in my strumming pattern here is down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, okay? So now moving into exactly how to play it. This is now for the intermediate and advanced player. If you want to play it exactly like it sounds on the song. So you're holding your C and you're playing. So that's your C, and then you hammer on the 3rd fret to make that, I think it's the C add 9, which is open, 3, 2, open, 3, 3. But then now you're opening that 1, okay, to get 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, because you're hammering on the 3rd fret of your B string. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then as you go into G, it's now 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and you're hammering on the 2nd fret of the G string, okay, which is the 3rd string. So you're hammering on the 2nd fret of that, and you're playing 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. And the first time you pluck your 2, you pluck it with the bass, which is 6 for G. The first time you pluck your 1, you pluck it with the 5th string, which is the bass for C. So, and then you go to your alternating 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's your intro. And then now you're holding on to the 2nd fret of the G string. Alright, that's when she's going, got the strawberry ice cream. So that's your right, your C to your G. We're still on the verse. You're so unique. So here I'm kind of just muting my strings and then doing that strumming pattern that I already showed you. And I'm actually realizing now, the first time I listened to the song, I thought you played as C, and you're playing that variation and then you go to G. But it's actually, alright, the way that I showed you for the intro, then you go to G. Alright, let's just scroll to see if we have a progression change, maybe for the bridge or something. Okay, so here's the thing, is that we have C to G, C to G, okay? But in the chorus, it goes C, G, A minor, G. So that's a 3rd chord, but it's still the same because it's also in C, okay? So let's do the chorus. Ain't gonna tell her, I'm gonna get to this. Deja vu wishes with you. Alright, that is an amazing song. I guess she doesn't miss, right? Because the previous song was also great. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, guys. Just a quick announcement. I am going to be doing a live. I'm not sure yet whether it's going to be on Instagram or YouTube. But I wanted it to be on Instagram, but Instagram only does like portrait. But whatever, we'll figure that out. I'll give you guys the dates. I'll probably do a post and post it on my story here on YouTube and on Instagram. Just make sure you follow me on both platforms so that you don't miss it. I'm going to do a live where I'll be giving you guys the chords to your requests because, yeah, a lot of you have actually been hitting me up for chords to particular songs that aren't necessarily popular or songs that don't have tutorials. It's just that maybe you guys wanted tutorials done by me because maybe they're like really broken down for the intermediate and beginner player or whatever. But yeah, I'll just do a live and I will do all your requests because there's a whole lot of them right now. So yeah, do stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.